Now this is a car which you may not have seen before. Very rare, there's only a handful available in the country today. This is a Defender 90 First Edition, 3-litre diesel, D250 on a 21 registration. Now if you haven't looked at the ones available, like I said, there is only 5 available in the UK today. They're very special because of the way the seat configuration is, the specification, but this one is even more special because of the mileage, the exterior styling. It's only done 17,000 miles. It then has full Land Rover service history, finished in Hakuba silver. It's then been bespoke, exterior styled, bonnet inserts, black pack, wide arches, wheels. They're a very special car because they are a 6-seater from factory. They have a fabric opening sunroof, loads of spec as standard called climate pack, air suspension, electric deployable Towbar. It's the look which will initially attract you towards this car because it's beautiful to see the gloss black wheel arches, inserts, 22-inch wheels finished in satin black against that Hakuba silver. Just gives you a fantastic looking car. But then you'll have heard the word 6-seater. To see a Defender 90 as a 6-seater is extremely rare. So you've got 3 seats across to the front, then you also have 3 seats to the rear. That middle seat is your jump seat, like we say on a lot of our videos. You can just pop that down as an armrest if you don't have a use for it on every single day. Plenty of space in the back of the 90s, and the First Edition was a very, very limited run. When this car was produced, or prior to being produced, there would have been a lower powered engine, but this is the D250, a great engine, 3-litre diesel, plenty of power, but it's the look and then that 6-seat configuration which will win you over. You then get lots and lots of technical spec as standard as well, but the style is beautiful. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. You've also got the black pack on the rear as well. Air suspension, our customers love, and we sell a lot of these Land Rovers, but it's a question that we often get asked, does it have air suspension? The answer to that is yes, this one does. Electric deployable Towbar, so whatever you want to use that for, an electric Towbar would always be better to have than a manual detachable. Just takes absolute seconds to come out. No need to get on your hands and knees, get anything dirty, anything like that. So the air suspension works hand in hand with that. From the driver's point of view, again, plenty more spec, heated wheel to link in with the heated jet washers, cruise control, rear view cameras. It's also got the ClearSight rear view. I'm going to show you that fabric sunroof in a second as well, because that's not something you see very often at all, but it's very, very cool. 17,000 miles, full Land Rover service history on a 21 registration. It's fantastic to see those sort of things. It's what you would look for when you're looking for a used car. Fabric sunroof, very cool. The jump seat, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to have that as a seat, you just pull this little toggle, down comes the button, cup holders, USBs, armrest, air suspension you can control from here, heated seats, climate control, camera systems I mentioned earlier, rear view, aerial view, there's even a towing mode just in case you're a little bit, or not too confident with towing, rear view, ClearSight, again HD camera comes straight through, so it's got everything that you can need. But not only does it have the spec, it's then got the look, and it's then got that, for me, I would want a car that there isn't too many of, and a 6-seat First Edition. It's a very, very rare model in the 90, but it's a great looking car, low miles, full service history. It isn't a car which will last very long because it's been very well looked after, very well spec'd, and it's a beautiful looking car. So if you are interested, car is going live. Any questions about how you can buy it through different funding options that we offer? You may have a part exchange, you might have a question about the car. Contact me on my mobile number. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.